Do you think you're being productive right now? Let me show you the routine that helped me 10x my goals. By the end of this video, you'll have a very plug and play routine that will help you scale your goals, the 10x goal system, whether you're scaling your business or just getting started. Monday morning, 5:45 a.m. and this was my pre-workout snack. Perfect little combo of carbs right here before my fasted cardio.
That is not correct.
Actually, it's not fasted because I just had my pre-workout carbs. So, but new thing that I'm doing is walking on the treadmill in the morning while I do my morning routine. Vlogception, double vlogception right now. Woo! 1 degree outside right now. I have a call today set up with Sebastian. We're just gonna break down strategy for not only locking in one more Airbnb this week, which I have a potential arbitrage lined up. I think I got a hot lead. This Airbnb right here happens to be a guy I know. And I think we can take it over, give it some upgrades and get it relisted. I think it can be $1,000 a month cash flow Airbnb. So I'm gonna be working on that throughout the week, but I think this is something that could work. And me making this video is giving me some urgency to make it happen. But also path to 30 by next year, which is my goal. Wi-Fi is so fast. Diet Coke hits so hard. I love working at McDonald's. All right, it's official. That Airbnb that I showed you guys at the beginning of the week is ours. It's officially locked in. That is unit number 8 for us and Airbnb number 5. I told you guys about this place at the beginning of the week. It's actually somebody I know, and it's just proof. Like, if you know people and you understand how to make a win-win deal, you can get an Airbnb set up in less than a week. Hopefully can rent it out for double the price. And I think this could be $1,000 a month cash flow. All right, so here's why you have to 10x your goals. Look at that reflection. 10x, why you have to do it, how to do it, okay? Why it's so important to 10x, why 10x is easier than 2x is because when you 10x your goals, thinking 10x forces transformation, not just improvement. When you take a goal and you try to 2x it, it's incremental. And so what happens is what you'll do is you'll try to just tweak what you've been doing. A 10x goal forces you to actually think, okay, what would need to change? What are the mindsets, the strategies? Who would I need to help? Who would I need to become? And it takes away all the distractions and it forces you to prioritize what truly, truly matters. Why this has helped for me on the Airbnb side of things is because if I want to get to 30 Airbnbs by the end of next year, I can't think small. And that's why a conversation this week now happened with Sebastian, with Seabass, which was like, what would that even look like? What would I have to do? What am I missing? Because they did it last year. And we started talking about getting blocks in apartment buildings, and that's how we can go faster. So stop aiming small, start thinking 10x. And when you think 10x, the impossible becomes inevitable. Anna, what? Look at my outfit right now.
I know, I look like I'm dressed for a college interview as the interviewer. And Alex is my underdressed interviewee.
It's honestly embarrassing. I don't know what any of this
I
stuff
don't know how to eat
is.
this, but I'm really excited to try it.
We're at a Mexican restaurant, and I don't even know what we ordered. JP, what are we doing right now?
We're going crazy.
That means karaoke. Hey, Jared, what song are you singing?
Hometown girl, Josh Turner, baby.
We'll get the live footage of it. Super nervous.
Yeah!
The camera made him more nervous.
Shut up.
Soaring, flying.
Okay, Zach. Okay, Troy.
Okay,
We just got home, and I cannot believe how bad that footage is, George. I know you're watching this. That's the best footage. That's the best footage you could have got of us singing. Oh my gosh.
Cut off right at the good parts.
It's okay, George.
All right, we still love you.